Hello and welcome to Slice of Celona. I am Greg Yatman. With me today is Nader Newman. He's the Senior Product Manager at Zebra. And today we're going to take a slice of Zebra. We're going to look into a few things around private wireless, private 5G, and Zebra products in particular in the realm of private networking or private cellular. But first and foremost, let me hand it over to Nader to say, who is he and why is he here today? So Nader, maybe you do an introduction of yourself and we'll jump into all things Zebra and private wireless.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, Greg. Hi, I'm Nader Newman. I'm a part of the Zebra Enterprise Mobile Computing Division, and I'm primarily responsible for looking at what are the value adds that Zebra can bring to the table when it comes to network and connectivity. So definitely we'll be talking about collaboration with Celona, some of the things that we're doing together, and why we think this space is important and why you should consider Zebra.
Well, perfect. And thank you for that introduction. So let's get right into it. How important is private wireless to Zebra and why?
All right. Yeah, private networking is a key growth for Zebra. We see a lot of benefits and use cases that customers are trying to drive with this technology. Zebra is very focused on helping enterprise customers intelligently connect their people, assets, data, all to be able to make critical business decisions, right? And private wireless is a key component in facilitating customers' digital transformation, helping them with automation, and really streamlining some of their processes. So this really enables customers to gain greater efficiencies, drive better experience, and address some of the human resource challenges that they have today.
All right, and one of the ways that helps, in my opinion anyways, illustrate your interest, expertise, or your domain interest is use cases. Like how are you using or how are customers using your product? So in this case, what are the ideal use cases you're finding with Zebra?
Yeah, so Zebra has a broad portfolio of private 5G capable devices, right? Zebra looks at how do we help our customers extend their existing use cases into areas where they may have been challenged, but also create opportunities for new use cases for greater efficiencies, right? Looking at how do we help customers really reduce disruption due to labor shortages, leverage solutions from Celona to help condense network and communication needs, and even drive greater efficiencies when it comes to management and reducing costs in both large indoor and outdoor spaces.
So if I'm a customer looking to add some new equipment to my ecosystem or my environment, my network, as it were, are there any particular things that you would guide me or you would be asking me to look for?
Sure, yeah, absolutely. So when you're evaluating a device, there are many things to consider, such as, how will it perform on the network? What else does the OEM bring to the table in terms of value, right? Device interoperability is always key, right? There are always more than one of these solutions or the way one of these solutions can be put together. So making sure that they do interoperate properly is very, very important, but also looking at the capabilities that OEM can provide that really caters and meets the business needs of an enterprise customer, such as how do I address and make the deployment process very easy and frictionless? How do I make or leverage what the OEM can bring to help management of that device be easy and really improve my operational efficiencies? So Zebra, we're very committed to providing the best-in-class mobile experience and are focused on exceeding KPIs for reliability, performance, and coverage.
So clearly after that, you are focused, Zebra being the you, are focused on improving customer experiences, improving KPIs. How would you say Celona and Zebra are working together today to continue to improve customer experiences?
Yes, Zebra and Celona have started collaborating and are really working towards this great strategic alliance. We have an alliance program that Celona has signed up for, and we're collaborating on a number of efforts to try to bring the best in breed of private networking solutions, and as well as include some innovative capabilities that, as we, look at the rest of this year and into next year, we can further talk about.
All right, so let's talk, and this is towards the end of our discussion, really around devices. So things like device certification and interoperability of end user devices. How important is this to working within CBRS networks, and what are your thoughts around best cases or best uses for this these end users, bringing them into these new environments?
Right. Yeah, because there's a variety or different variables in how these solutions and these platforms can be put together, ensuring that these mobile devices are validated against both the core network fabric as well as the radio end is very, very important, right? There's many different ways you can set this up, and so making sure again that interoperability is there will really help with different scenarios and ensure that we speed up for customers the deployment times, right? We reduce issues that may be found in the field by doing the validation, so that's no longer an issue or concern, right? And we identify best practices as templates for success, right? So ensuring that devices not only operate but perform well is really key, not only for our success, but also for the success of our customers that are looking to deploy these new networks.
That sounds fantastic. And I thank you very much. And this is really what we were looking for, to get a slice of Zebra. I know there's more to come. There's more activities we're doing together. But first and foremost, I want to thank you and the wider Zebra team for giving us your time and your collaboration to make sure we're successful together. So appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed the day. I hope you viewers or listeners enjoyed this as well. Thank you, Nader, and I hope you come back for another Slice of Celona very soon.
All right. Thank you, Greg. It was great. Definitely we'll be back for another slice.
Perfect. Like, subscribe, share. Until then, stay in touch with us. And you can also connect with Nader on LinkedIn, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
Bye now.
Thank you. Cheers. Bye-bye.